And for the final updates for today, we've got gold and Bitcoin. Starting off with gold on the on the 1 hour time frame. Sorry, we can see we've had our break of structure, and this is our current swing range. We have liquidated this high, so we could see some lower prices. However, following the fundamental news and the weakness in the dollar, I am maybe just expecting this to cause a little pullback down towards the demand zone, where we can look for further long opportunities. I would have preferred to see a break and a close, creating an internal break of structure. This would have given me higher probability, but we still have this gap in the market and this untouched demand zone. So I do feel that price is likely to rebound. I think the level that it got to down here on the low, I don't think we'll be seeing that again for a little while. And I do expect some higher prices. For Bitcoin, this is the daily break of structure. This is our swing low, high, sorry. This is our swing low. We didn't get a break and close below here. So at some point in the near future, I'm expecting to get that close. However, as we've had such an impulsive sell-off in towards the downside, which is a lot clearer on the 4 hour, we haven't had that retracement yet that we were speaking about yesterday. So it is completely understandable that Bitcoin is starting to push back in towards the upside. That's our break of structure, and since then it's just been a strong sell-off in towards the downside. So what I'd be expecting is maybe this point of liquidity, this point of liquidity, or these highs up here to be that fuel to start that next move in towards the downside. What I'll be looking for is to see it take a point of liquidity, like for example this one, then break the demand zone that's in control, where you can then validate the idea of shorting. If we go down onto the 1 hour time frame, at the moment we've had this is the internal structure. So we've had an internal break here. If we get another internal break, I might then be happy to start targeting these highs over here. But it is slightly unclear and it is lower probability as you're trading against the higher time frame, bigger picture.